I'm sorry, sir. I will open a question and answer session. Any question from the audiences?
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Pak Rektor, first of all, I would like to thanks for your invitation to join with this very nice conference.
Okay.
And also congratulations for the successful, for this conference too. So I have a question, and then I would like to get your comment. So based on my comment, I think, my opinions, so the concept that right now developed for the construction of civil building in new capital city still lack with the material sources such as woody material. So compare with some cities that also recognized as the forest smart city, for instance, Karuizawa in Japan, so many wooden deck, outdoor, and also some facilities that constructed using woody material. So what's your opinion on this? Because I think this is very important to combine forest smart city and forest wooden industry in connection in the new capital city of Indonesia. Because we are here in East Kalimantan very strong with the historical of forest and woody industry history. So that is my question, and I would like to know your comment and your opinion on this. Thank you.
Okay. The next question, please.
Thank you very much, Pak Rektor. As you said earlier, the capital city of Nusantara, in your presentation, there are around 256,142 hectare, right? From the total of the area, I'm sure that some of them are still traditional land, right? My question is that all already free? Why I give this question? Because we still find some demonstrations until now. That's all, Pak Rektor. Thank you.
Okay.
Once more questions.
Okay. Only 2 questions. No question anymore. I'll answer from the second questions. About you inform me that there is about 256,000 millions of the land there. For your information, I have informed in my presentation just now that there is about 158,000 more as the state land. It means that it's owned or controlled by the government. And I have informed also that only 25% will be made as urban area. In my presentations, I have informed that 9 economic generators, and until now, because the development in the new capital started from the central government core area, or we call Indonesia kawasan inti pusat pemerintahan. Most of the land there is state land, so no problems. Actually, about demonstrators, most of them has been asked to discuss to solve the problem. The government has the commitment to solve the problems. If the land is owned by the people, of course, will not be disturbed or we can say that, yeah, we can give you ganti untung. But for your informations, because every week I go there, you know that today there are about 7,661 hectare land there is built by the government, and including the investors now, like Nusantara Hotels, and also the hospitals which will be built by the investor. And I saw also water waste plan. You are right, maybe some area owned by the people there, but you know that because this is for national, for national, so we try to discuss how to solve the problems. All of the problems there, sometimes I, as director or as one who knows much about the new capital, try to solve the problem. So sometimes I invite them to come to Balikpapan University to discuss and how to help them if they have problems about land, about financial, about their future extra. We should pay attention. I suggest to you that you not only read in the newspaper, but please accompany to go there to solve their problem. Okay? The first question, there is keywords like constructions and forest. Yeah. About construction there, most of the constructions is led by Minister of Public Housing and Public Works, and the concept is green and gray constructions. Green construction means that the construction not destroy the forest or the environment, but based on law number 3, 2022, you can see that every building we made as constructions should be changed with the forest or plantation or plant to be built there. That's the first. And about the forest, actually I have a video. Maybe in Indonesia, only rector of Balikpapan University have the video about the forest there. You know, if you talk about the presidential office, I have the picture or video about the former tree there, the former forest there. And I want to inform you that most of the forest in the central government core area is eucalyptus, and the others is not natural forest. And one thing, the most important thing that I see the Indonesian government will plant some forest or tree there which taken from Java and other place in Indonesia. But in my opinion, it's not good, but I do hope that the tree there, the forest there represent the Borneo forest. And ladies and gentlemen, for your information, that talking about the new capital of Indonesia, the new capital or Nusantara is not only for East Kalimantan, not only for Borneo, but also for Indonesia and the world. So I have a writing, I have a book, I write everything with the title Nusantara from Sepaku Negara. Sepaku Negara is abbreviations. Sepaku sekitar penajam pasar Kutai Kertanegara, ya, to Indonesia. Because why this for the world? Because the new capital city of Indonesia, still the new capital city of Indonesia, and also in Kalimantan, Borneo will be the lung of the world. That is the concept. The new capital city Indonesia is the first city in the world which has 65% forest. And now in the new capital, Nusantara Mentawir, there is a place to make seeds, and it's about 15 million there now. This is to reforestation of the new capital city Indonesia. We build the new capital city of Indonesia as the forest city. We'll make the new capital of Indonesia as where I want to say that the forest more than before. The new capital Indonesia is a smart city, resilient city, sponge city, yeah, forest city, sustainable city. And what we do in the new capital can be done also to Borneo and Malaysia. Thank you so much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Well, it's really interesting and enjoy the seminar session. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I invite Mr. Billy Awai to giving appreciation to Mr. Dr. Insinyur Isradi Jainal.